Anmol Bishnoi, the younger brother of gangster Lawrence Bishnoi, has been one of the most significant overseas handlers of the Bishnoi crime syndicate. From outside India, he allegedly managed extortion networks, coordinated shooters, and oversaw gang operations through encrypted channels. His name appears in several major criminal cases across multiple states. Anmol's role became prominent after the murder of Punjabi singer Sidhu Moosewala in 2022. Investigators say he arranged weapons and logistics for the killers. He is also linked to the firing outside actor Salman Khan's home in Mumbai and to the murder of former Maharashtra Minister Baba Siddiqui in 2024. In all, 18 cases have been registered against him, leading to a red corner notice and a 10 lakh rupee reward on his arrest. Anmol left India and slipped into the United States illegally. He was detained by American authorities in November last year, not for his crimes in India, but for unlawful entry. He filed an asylum plea, which initially made Indian officials skeptical of whether he would be sent back. However, after a non-bailable warrant from a Maharashtra court and sustained pressure from Indian agencies, the US Department of Homeland Security confirmed his deportation. On November 18, 2025, the US removed Anmol from its custody. He was flown back alongside two other criminals wanted by the Punjab police and nearly 200 illegal immigrants. Anmol has now landed in New Delhi and has been transported under heavy security. Why he matters now? Anmol Bishnoi's return is crucial because he remains a key link in multiple interstate investigations. His alleged involvement spans political killings, celebrity intimidation, extortion networks, and international coordination for the Bishnoi gang. His deportation also comes at a time when the gang itself is fractured, with a major split between Lawrence Bishnoi and gangster Goldie Brar, after disagreements over support for Anmol during his detention abroad. In India, Anmol Bishnoi is expected to face questioning in several major cases. The murder of NCP leader Baba Siddiqui, his role in the killing of Sidhu Moosewala, directing and motivating the shooters involved in firing at Salman Khan's house in Mumbai, funding and providing weapons to gang members, multiple extortion and conspiracy cases across Punjab, Maharashtra and Delhi. Investigators say they have digital evidence, communication records and testimonies linking him to these crimes. This is Shubh Bharadwaj for NDTV.